Hey, what's up? It's your girl Wee Wee once again representing my favorite brand, Bombers and Sleeves. Big shout out to Press or Die. They're the ones that print these badass tees right behind me. And today we're going to give you another hot girl summer look so you can show some skin while you're getting that sun in your big skull tee. So let's go. First, you'll need your scissor and your Sharpie. Today's look is going to be a cold shoulder. I'm only doing one. You're welcome to do two. You're going to draw a rounded line, follow that rounded line with your scissor, and voila, there you are, one cold shoulder. I decided to do some accent cuts on the bottom just because it looks really great if you wear black leggings underneath. And I did about 4 to 5 cuts. You can do more. It looks really good if you cut it all the way up. It just depends on how much skin you want to show. Then I took the scissor and I cut some tiger marks on top, kind of make it look like a tiger attacked you. You know, a little extra skin always goes a long way. Then I took the other sleeve and completely took it off, but I am going to save that fabric, which I will show you what I'm going to do with that fabric. Kind of give it like a halter look in the front and show some of that back in the back. See, there's our accent cuts, looking good with the black underneath. There's our tiger marks and the cold shoulder, and there's the back. And now you're ready to slay in your Bombers and Sleeves big skull tee. Shop bombersandsleeves.com.